Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple image with Universe Image Creator. The first thing we're going to do is add some stars. So we start with this black canvas, and how we add our stars is we're going to come up here to the tool section, select star field, and then click anywhere on the black screen. Just like that. Now, under texture, we have all the stuff we can change about the stars, like the color, the brightness, the density, and the size. The only thing I'm going to change today is the density. I'm just going to make that a little bit higher, and you see we have more stars. So I'm pretty happy with all my stars right now. So next I'm going to add, from the tool section, a sun. So I've selected a sun, and I can click wherever I want it. So I'm going to put him right here. There's our sun. Now it's a little too far in the corner for me, so I'm going to just click this location button under geometry. I'm going to click a little down because I want to move it down a little bit. That's pretty good. I like it there. And then under the texture and noise, you can always adjust some of that. I'm pretty happy with it, so I'm just going to move on. The next thing I want to add is probably a planet so our sun doesn't get lonely. So I'm going to use Venus. I'm just going to click him right there. There we go. And I like the location, so I'm going to skip the geometry and go to the texture, where I'm going to change the color a little bit. I'm going to make this, I want a yellow kind of. There we go. And then make this like a brown. Just a little bit more. There we go. So I like that. I'm going to move it just a bit, like right there. And all of these other things, noise, atmosphere, rings, I don't need to do anything to that. It looks fine the way it is. One thing is that I am going to change the lighting, because technically the sun is reflecting light, so I'm just going to come over here and make it so where it seems like the sun lights up the top right. Next, after that, I'm going to come up to the tool section again, and I want to kind of add a background. So I'm going to click Interstellar Gas, and just click right there. So, and then I'm going to make it a little further away. Kind of click where I want it. I like that. And then I'm going to change the color. Probably a light red. Let's see. Just play around with that until you like it. I like that red. And then, I did not mean to do that. Make sure you unclick location so you don't accidentally move it. Okay. And then I've finished my image, and now what I can do is come to File and then just click Save Image. Call it Sun and Venus. Make sure my width, height, and my file type is good, and then just save. And just click OK, and then it'll save to your computer. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and have a wonderful day. Thank you.